Ake sibone ukuthi i-gradient siyithola kanjani ifomula yayo. I-gradient angisho ukushintsha kwama-variables ya-graph. As u-y eshintsha, u-x ushintsha kanjani. The change in y divided by the change in x. Kusho ukuthini? Sidinga ama-coordinates awu-2 la. Sibuke u-y wesibili minus u-y 1. I-change le, i-difference. Mas-subtract. Kudivayidwa ngo-x2 minus x1. Ngithuze-ke mina nanti i-coordinate u-2 map 7 nananti yani u-0 map 3. Ungayithatha noma imaphi awu-2. 7 or uyayithuzela ukuthi uzothi nanka ozothi u-2 yini ama-coordinates noma ilanga sazophuma i-answer efanayo. Ngakuhluphi lokho. Don't worry. Ngathi-ke 7 minus 3 na divided by 2 ka-x ngapha minus 0 ka-x ngapha. 7 minus 3 u-4, 2 minus 0 u-2, phuma u-2. Kusho ukuthi ngibale kahle nangu loya 2 we-gradient la ngimcalculate-ile. Siyibala kanjalo-ke i-gradient. Uyoze uyophuma kwa-matric uyibala kanje. Bese kuba khona izinto ekuthiwa ama-intercept. Ama-intercept yilana i-graph ecrossa khona lama-axis. I-y-axis nje bayicrossa laphana, i-x-axis bayicrossa laphana. I-y-intercept le, i-x-intercept. Kuyo-intercept u-x u-0. X mangifaka u-0 laphana phuma ukuthi y is equal to 0 plus 3. Kusho njalo mangifuna i-y-intercept. Angidingi nokuloke ngicalculate, ngivele ngibuke lapho kusho ukuthi 3 ngivele ngiyoshaya imakhi lapho eku-3 khona. Angiyibali nje ngitshela i-equation thatha u-C ngicacula. Nayo ibalwayo. I-x-intercept yona u-y u-0. Njengoba kwayi-intercept ku-x u-0. Ngifaka u-0-ke la ku-y khona kuya equation. 0 is equal to 2x plus 3. 3 uza ngapha minus 3. Divide by 2 both sides. Cala u-x ngapha minus 3 over 2. Manje ngikonvetha lokho minus 1 enapha. Nangempela nangu minus 1 la, nangu minus 2 la, minus 1 enapha nakho x-intercept. Kusho ngiyibale kahle. Laphana-ke don't worry about isandla esigwegwile. Bayokunikeza i-graph paper nge-test noma nge-Excel ukuthi imigqa yakho ibe perfect kuma-straight kwayo.